4 Miracles of Attractiveness. Are you in search of attractiveness? Do you want to know how you can become more appealing and attractive? In this video, we will explore 4 simple and powerful actions that work wonders in making you more attractive. These actions not only help you appear more attractive physically, but also can be positive signs about your personality. Below we delve into more details about these 4 actions. 1. Smiling. Smiling is one of the most powerful signs of physical and social attractiveness. This simple gesture can have a significant impact on your interactions with others and make you more appealing to them. Below I've provided further details on the importance of smiling. Radiance and positivity. Smiling is a sign of your radiance and positivity. This sign of your good spirits is conveyed to others and draws them towards you. Building connections. Smiling makes you appear friendly and approachable. People smile back at you and establish more positive connections with you. Attracting positive energy. Smiling can serve as a source of positive energy. When you smile at yourself and others, you are likely to experience a sense of well-being, and this positive energy transfers to others as well. Health benefits. Smiling has positive effects on your health. According to research, it can reduce blood pressure, strengthen the immune system, and increase the production of happiness hormones like endorphins. Allure. Smiling gives you an attractive quality. People are generally drawn to those who smile, finding joy in their presence. 2. Cleanliness and personal hygiene. Cleanliness and personal hygiene are important aspects of physical attractiveness. When you pay attention to your cleanliness and personal hygiene, it can have a significant impact on your social interactions and how others perceive you. Below I've provided more details about the importance of cleanliness and personal hygiene. Self-care sign. Cleanliness and personal hygiene signify that you take care of yourself and value your health and appearance. Allure. Cleanliness and personal hygiene often make you more physically attractive. Healthy skin, well-groomed hair, orderly teeth, and more can make you appear more attractive to others. Self-confidence. When you pay attention to cleanliness and personal hygiene, your self-confidence increases. This self-confidence helps you feel more assured and appear more attractive. Mood enhancement. The importance of personal hygiene improves your mood and increases your energy. People who take care of themselves usually experience better feelings, and this positive energy is transmitted to others. 3. Respect. Respecting others is one of the signs of personality and social attractiveness. This trait shows that you value others and respect their needs and preferences. Below I've provided more details about the importance of showing respect. Kindness and understanding. Respecting others is a sign of kindness and understanding. These qualities help in better understanding the needs and preferences of others and in resolving conflicts and problems in relationships. Positive impact on personality. Showing respect to others indicates magnanimity and personal strength. This trait can provide you with more self-confidence and lead others to trust your decision-making. Deeper connections. Respecting others usually leads to deeper and more meaningful connections with them. When you show respect, others are likely to trust you and rely on you as a friend and partner. Soul. Physical fitness. Physical fitness is an important aspect of physical attractiveness. This aspect significantly influences how others perceive you. Drawing attention. Physical fitness and a well-proportioned body generally make you more physically attractive and may capture the attention of others. Self-confidence. Having physical fitness and a fit body often boosts your self-confidence. This self-confidence can have a positive impact on social interactions and even in romantic relationships. Influence on romantic relationships. Physical fitness may also have a positive influence on romantic relationships. People are generally drawn to those who take care of their bodies and pay attention to physical fitness. In conclusion, physical fitness plays an important role in physical attractiveness and can have a significant impact on how others perceive you. This aspect can boost your self-confidence and have a positive influence on your social interactions.